Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Nayan Creators. In this video today I am going to show you an amazing car. So that is the Stunt Z car. Stunt means it can flip like this. So they had given pictures here. I want to show you. These are the pictures. Now let us go for unboxing the car. Okay, so let us start. So before watching my channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you enjoy the video, give a like, and for more and more videos, please press the bell icon. So let us start. So first, let us come to the features of the car. So the first feature is spinning action, blazing speed, special tumbling fun, RC replicas, rotatory 360, super wheels. Now let us open the car. I had opened. Now let us remove it. Wow, what a nice looking car. It is white in color and too beautiful in looking. So this is the car. So inside the box we had got the screwdriver. Let us keep this in the side. Then the remote controller. Let us keep this in the side. Then the antenna. It is too important. We should stuck here. Let us keep this also in the side. And two batteries, charger, and the main car's battery. So let us put the battery inside the car. These are. So let me remove it. I remove. Now this is the back cover. Now let me put the battery. We should put this holes into this pin. I had put. Now let me put full things. And I had put this also. Now let me lock it. So the cars is ready. Now let us come to the remote controller. So I had put the back cover. Now let me put the battery inside. I had put. So let us put the antenna. This is there. We should put inside this. I had put the antenna. So let us test